the country to the Benjamin Moore. Get a fresh coat of paint to put on the dance floor. My cute little baby, tattooed arm in the sun, smiling at sunrise after a night of good fun at the gin joint on the edge of our two-horse town. Love drinking moonshine, a Woodford Reserve, maybe some 151 if you all have the nerve. Bring your smile, leave your hat at our country saloon. We start drinking at sunset and howling at the moon at the gin joint on the edge of our two-horse town. The party is jumping, the whole room is bumping. The band's really cooking, playing golf books or something. Little old mama gives guitarist a kiss.
Hey man, you alright?
No, man, all I could taste is the Schlitz. The Schlitz.
Now all he tastes is her Schlitz on his lips. Come on, Mick. Driving through the country to the next liquor store. Gotta stock up the bar so we can do it once more at the gin joint on the edge. At our gin joint on the edge of our two-horse town. Party never stops. Party on, Donnie. Party on, Mick.
Gotta start heading toward the door. Let's go 10 minutes ago. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here.
Driving me insane, so don't you even bother. Who am I to blame when I listen to the record?
I have no idea how to play this thing. I almost didn't film this one because the construction was very similar to one of the more recent build videos I've done here where I made a 5-string bass that was headless with the slanted frets and stuff. It was very similar construction, but I decided to film this anyways to just sort of show that like there's no rules anymore. Like you can, like if you can imagine it, like guys like me, like we can build it. Like you want 32 strings and yeah, okay, you want 1 string? Yeah, there's no rules. And a guitar like this is a great example. Like I mean it's a guitar with these 2 extra strings and my brain can't even comprehend it, but the person that plays it and they make music on it, and I love that, and I love being able to facilitate other people's creative dreams and use mine in the process. Thanks a lot. Be good.